Hey guys, it's Leah and we are back today for our second segment in our vitamin C series, and I'm so excited because today we are talking about Catalyst AC11 from Osmosis Skincare. And this product is unlike any other product, any other vitamin C product I've really ever worked with and truly think that even exists on the market. Osmosis has formulated this product with a few other amazing ingredients to take it from a traditional brightening product to a full-on anti-aging, skin tightening, DNA repair powerhouse. So let me go ahead and get right into what makes Catalyst AC11 vitamin C so very different than other vitamin C's in this segment. Catalyst AC11 is a very bioavailable and bioactive vitamin C product, and this is a 6% ascorbic acid. This formulation couples the ascorbic acid with cat's claw, which is known as not only an external product, but you can actually take cat's claw in dietary supplements over the counter for its anti-aging benefits. But in this formulation, it's going to be extremely amazing for inflammation in the skin. It's going to be very DNA correcting as well as skin protecting from sun damage and external factors, so it works like an antioxidant. Amazing amount of amino acids, and 3 in particular which are amazing for the skin and collagen production: L-hydroxylysine, L-hydroxyproline, and L-hydroxyglycine amino acids. And sticky amino acids, and we'll get to the sticky part in a minute, but what they do is they feed the collagen production. So having them bioavailable in this product is just really remarkable. Another great point that I want to add about these amino acids is that they are very firming. So those are the active ingredients: your amino acids, your cat's claw, and your ascorbic acid. And then a few other really great ingredients in this formulation. Have aloe, which again is going to be really soothing, really hydrating for the skin, copper gluconate, and what was the other one that I really love? Oh, lots of different flower extracts. So again, it's going to be really just gentle and calming for the skin. So you're not only going to have the cat's claw, which is going to be repairing inflammation, but you also have all these different extracts which are going to be calming for the skin. My favorite part of this formulation, that even though it is an intense formula, and not intense as in intense for the skin, intense in anti-aging and skin correcting properties. If you have inflammation in the skin, just know you're not doing something good for the skin. It's actually counterintuitive. So this product has the ability to do all these amazing things that we're about to go over without causing irritation or inflammation. Do apply this product AM and PM. It says 1 to 2 pumps. I would really take that down on the pump meter down to like 1, because I've always found 1 to be enough. And this product again is a true treatment product, and I always feel like I need to talk to people about this product if they've never used it before. It is unlike any other vitamin C product, from the feel of it, from the color of it. It's very, very different, and it is a dark color. I don't want to waste too much because it's like liquid gold, but I hope you can see that. Okay, maybe I do need a little bit more. Okay, so I have a ring light, and so maybe lightening it up a little bit, but as you can see, it is a dark orange brown color. That's not because, you know, we sent you a bad product. It is truly what it's supposed to look like, so just know that is totally normal. Second, those sticky amino acids. I like to tell people it's almost like dry, but a great word to keep in mind is that it is sticky. I highly, highly recommend, if you get this product, you also get the Osmosis Clear Plus. That activating mist will really help the product penetration and get that brown color, that sticky amino acid, to really work itself into the skin. And I only find that our really fair customers have that issue, and if you are really fair, definitely consider the Clear Plus. Now, some people really like that luminosity that it gives once it's on the skin underneath their makeup. Now, if you just absolutely cannot live with that color, I totally get it. And in that instance, we recommend just using it at night. You're still gonna get all the amazing benefits. It may take a little bit longer of nightly use, but absolutely you're going to get phenomenal results by adding this into your regimen, whether it be AM and PM or just PM. Absolutely love when brands put their products through clinical studies. It is an expensive process. It's a long process. So if you find a brand or a product that they actually have went through the clinical studies and have their clinical results, just know that that company truly believes in its technology, its formulation, its products, and that is a phenomenal thing. So kudos to them. So Catalyst AC11 is a patented product, and now let's go over all the amazing benefits that this vitamin C serum can have for you. And in this clinical study, again, it was 8 weeks, and they tested it on the first application. So after one application, what this product showed, and then in 8 weeks, what those full results were. So after one application was a 11% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, 11% change in the laxity of not only the skin but the eyelids. And as we know, vitamin C's typically can't go on the eyelids or in that orbital rim. It's just a really sensitive area, but this is a 6% ascorbic acid, and it was completely fine to put on the lid. So that is really huge, to have a product have the ability to tighten the upper eyelid area. After one application, it had a 24% improvement in texture and smoothness of the skin, so that's really great. And a 32% increase in radiance and luminosity. So the next studies are the 8-week studies, and they're my favorite. Like, you're gonna be blown away by these results. In 8 weeks, it had a 15% improvement in laxity over the eyes. It had a 15% improvement in actinic keratosis. If you don't know what that is, basically it's precancerous lesions. So amazing product if you are prone to skin cancer, already have actinic keratosis. Great product to just add in to keep your skin healthy and repair that DNA damage. 17% improvement in fine lines and wrinkles. So radiance and luminosity, basically that means if you have pigment, melasma, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, 32% improvement in 8 weeks. My next one is one of my favorite reasons to recommend this product. 64% improvement in broken capillaries and skin redness. Typically those go hand in hand. If you have broken capillaries, around the broken capillaries you're going to be inflamed, and this product took that away by 64% in 8 weeks, which is absolutely huge. You know, traditionally you'd have to get your sclerotherapy or your laser treatments, and now you can treat your broken capillaries and skin redness at home with this little bottle. It's my next favorite reason to recommend this product, and my overall favorite result in this study was that Catalyst AC11 in 8 weeks tightened the skin, so increased the laxity of the skin, or non-laxity of the skin, by 110%. I don't even know how that happens. I can't do math that well, but 110%, like, holy moly, right? That's a huge number. So in 8 weeks, 110% improvement in the elasticity of the skin. So you're gonna be tight. It's gonna help, you know, just repair that DNA damage, and that's what it's doing. Like, as we age, the DNA it gets compromised, the cells get compromised, it's lacking the nutrition it needs, and this comes in and completely like corrects all of those issues. It's a phenomenal anti-aging product. I also really like to talk about this product and its ability. Because of those DNA repair mechanisms, it's phenomenal for scarring, not only post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, but actual acne scarring, as well as skin tags. If you have skin tags, use this for a month with a Band-Aid and they will repair itself. This is a true treatment product. It is continually treating the skin for permanent change, which is what Osmosis is all about. Permanent change without inflammation. So it's super huge, super remarkable product, and just so much more than a brightening serum. And Catalyst AC11 should definitely be added into your regimen if you have any of the issues that I just went over. So I hope this review really helps people understand why this product is so different. It is a little sticky, but it's those amino acids, and you have to have those amino acids if you want that skin tightening and that collagen production amplified. It does have that dark color, but that dark color is natural. Again, Osmosis does not add any chemical colorants. It's a holistic wellness company, so they, you know, it is what it is when it comes to the color of the product, but trust me, it is so worth it. So if you have talked to me before and told me that you wanted skin brightening, I probably didn't recommend this product for you because we have such phenomenal true skin brightening products, and this is going to give you a ton of skin brightening. But I love recommending this product for somebody with laxity, somebody with scarring, and for somebody with a lot of broken capillaries, because this is where this product just stands out, is in a class of its own, and is absolutely phenomenal. So I hope that kind of cleared up on why I did not recommend, or I did recommend, Catalyst AC11 for you, and why this product is so very different than our other vitamin C products in this series. So I'll make sure to link the first segment in the series below, as well as a link to this product. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I cannot wait to see you guys on our next session. See you then.